I've had both of my shoulders replaced in the last year. One last October, October 15th, and one 3 weeks ago. And the one that I had done last year has just been incredibly good. What a difference it made. I put off having the surgeries for 3 years because I'd always heard that shoulders were the hardest to rehab. And I thought, I've got to find the right person to do this. So UHC sent out a brochure advertising that Dr. Joshua Sykes had been added to their orthopedic group. And I called immediately for an appointment, got in to see him and talked with him, and I knew this was the right person. And afterwards, the rehab went great. I had absolutely no problems, minimal pain, and was thrilled. The 1st of September, I had my right shoulder done, and it's been very much the same. It's just been a very good experience. So I'm very happy that UHC found Dr. Sykes and brought him here. My experience has been with Dr. Sykes, with the nurses, with the staff, just nothing but wonderful. The experience overall has been just great. They've been very accommodating, very kind. He was very good about showing me MRIs, showing me the X-rays and pointing out the things that were going on in there. And that made me very comfortable because sometimes physicians forget that the patient has a right to or a need to know what's going on in there and not just blindly go into surgery. Well, my own approach to looking for an orthopedic surgeon was to look at their employment history and their education and to meet them. And I would certainly encourage anyone to do that. I found Dr. Sykes to be exactly what I was looking for. He's very kind, very gentle person, very easy to talk to. And I was pleased because I think that this generation of doctors is coming out with a different approach to patient care. And I was very pleased with what I met. Today I do have full range of motion in my left arm and shoulder, which is just a miracle to me. And my right arm is starting out very much the same as the rehab with the left arm in that apparently it's going to cooperate too. So I'm just very happy with that. And I would encourage anyone to take advantage of UHC's facilities for orthopedics. In addition to my surgeries, our daughter last April twisted her ankle 180 degrees, and Dr. Courtney supported it with a plate and screws, and she's really done well with it. So I wouldn't hesitate to recommend the facility to anybody.